construction of Radisson Blu Islamabad has now entered an exciting new phase of development. Ground excavation underway for the MEP system installations, carefully planned for efficiency, safety and durability. Cable tray installed with appropriate supports, ceiling hangers, ensuring span distances comply with load and deflection criteria. Firefighting pipe system being installed in the building with the standards set forth by National Fire Protection Association. Block work and plaster inside the building almost done and external plaster work about to finish, and the building ready for glasswork. Radisson Blu Islamabad, built for living, built for legacy.